Hello, everyone. I'm Christopher Naputo, your TESTA-accredited TVT trainer. Today, we're diving into a very important part of your dump truck, the dashboard. The dashboard serves as your central command center, providing critical information about your truck's operation and controls. Understanding each component and using them properly ensures safe and efficient driving. Let's get started. The dashboard is the control panel located at the front of the driver's seat. It displays various gauges, indicators, switches, and controls essential for operating the dump truck. The instrument cluster displays critical information like speed, engine temperature, fuel level, oil pressure, and RPM, revolutions per minute. The indicator lights include warning lights for low oil pressure, battery charge, brake system malfunction, ABS, and check engine light. The switches and controls consist of the headlight switch, windshield wiper control, turn signal lever, and hazard light switch. The hydraulic lift controls are the lever or button used to operate the dump bed's hydraulic system. The air brake controls include the brake pressure gauge and parking brake switch for trucks equipped with air brakes. The climate control system manages heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC, to provide driver comfort. The communication systems include radio and intercom systems for communication with site supervisors or dispatchers. The dashboard functions as a monitoring and control system by providing visual and audio alerts about the truck's performance and condition. When you start the truck, the dashboard lights momentarily illuminate as part of the system check. As you begin driving, gauges like Speedometer and Tachometer move to indicate the truck's speed and engine performance. The fuel gauge gradually decreases, reminding you when it's time to refuel. If a problem arises, like low oil pressure or overheating, the corresponding warning light will activate, alerting you to take immediate action. The dashboard is important for safety monitoring, allowing you to detect potential problems before they become dangerous or cause mechanical failure. It ensures that you're always aware of the truck's status, from fuel levels to engine performance. It provides control over essential systems, like the hydraulic lift mechanism and air brakes. Imagine you're on-site, preparing to unload a pile of gravel. You engage the hydraulic lift control located on the dashboard. As the dump bed begins to rise, you monitor the hydraulic pressure gauge to ensure it stays within the normal range. The operation goes smoothly, and you lower the bed back into position with precision. Now, imagine you're driving your dump truck along a rugged site when you suddenly see the low oil pressure warning light illuminate on the dashboard. This indicator suggests a problem with the lubrication system, which, if ignored, could result in engine damage. You immediately pull over, shut down the engine, and inspect the oil level. Upon confirming low oil, you refill it before continuing. Ignoring this warning could have led to engine seizure and costly repairs. You're descending a steep, uneven slope, relying heavily on your air brakes. The air pressure gauge on the dashboard shows that your brake pressure is steadily decreasing. When the gauge approaches the minimum safety level, the warning buzzer sounds, alerting you to stop and allow the air compressor to restore pressure. Ignoring this alert would risk a complete brake failure. Thanks to your prompt response, the situation is handled safely. For maintenance tips, check warning lights and gauges during pre-operation inspections. Test all switches and controls for functionality before each trip. Inspect the hydraulic lift control mechanism for responsiveness and smooth operation. Monitor air pressure gauges frequently if your truck uses air brakes. Ensure clear visibility of all gauges and lights by cleaning dust or debris regularly. And that's your guide to the dashboard of a dump truck. Remember, it's not just a bunch of lights and dials. It's your safety and operational monitoring system. Always stay alert and never ignore a warning signal. This has been Christopher Naputo, your TESTA-accredited TVT trainer. Thanks for watching, and always stay safe on the job.